KSC Presents. When experts excavated a 2,000-year-old grave, they discovered a phone-shaped accessory. The 2,000-year-old grave was discovered during an excavation commissioned by London Homes, who are developing a site on the outskirts of Wolverton near Chichester to create 175 new homes. The grave, which is dated to the late Iron Age, early Roman period, is incredibly rare, as only a handful are known to exist in the south of England. Iron weapons had been placed inside the grave, including a sword in a highly decorated scabbard and spear. The grave was discovered by a team from Archeologists Southeast, ASE, the commercial branch of USL's Institute of Archaeology. Jim Stevenson, the ASE archaeologist who is managing the post-excavation investigations into the burial, said, "There has been much discussion generally as to who the people buried in the warrior tradition may have been in life. Were they really warriors or just buried with the trappings of one? Although the soil condition destroyed the skeleton, the items discovered within the grave suggested that the occupant had been an important individual. X-rays and initial conservation of the sword and scabbard reveal beautiful copper alloy decoration at the scabbard mouth, which would have been highly visible when the sword was worn in life," he said. Dotted lines on the X-ray may be the remains of a studded garment worn by the occupant when buried, which is particularly exciting as evidence of clothing rarely survives, according to Mr. Stevenson. The grave also had the remains of the wooden container preserved as a dark stain, likely used to lower the individual into the grave. 4 ceramic vessels were placed outside of this container, but still within the grave. The vessels are jars made from local clays and would usually have been used for food preparation, cooking and storage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.